This is a message for the new year, 2023. You're going to make it.
There is no such thing as something for nothing. Everything, including your personal success, has a price that must be paid. A negative mental attitude can bring you nothing but failure. Remember always, you are where you are and what you are because of your mental attitude in which you relate yourself to other people.
So, an update on the business. It didn't go so well. Again, I went into full details on why I think that didn't go well, so that's completely fine. I moved on. I now tweaked up the website, made it this much better, and I've learned and I've realized that people make hundreds of thousands of dollars with even a worse website than ours. Like, our website is pretty darn fucking good. I could show it to you. If you guys comment, I can show it to you. I don't want to pull it up now, but if you guys really want to see how my website is, you can just leave a comment below, and I'll show it in some next video. Our website's pretty fucking top. Like, that's not our issue. So right now, we have established the structure, the base of what we're gonna build on. So we know that as of now, the website should never be an issue. So whenever we see failure, it's either two things. It's either the product or the ads. Again, now we are doing another product. We're doing some girl knee-high fuzzy sock slippers that are a bit trendy. We see potential in it. It's a bit different from other products that we usually do because a lot of other products solved an issue. This one kind of does solve an issue. You can stretch it and say, like, it keeps the girl's legs warm at night, which it does. It's not, it's not, but it's not like a life-changing issue, right? But it's those little trendy gadget things. No, it's not a gadget, but like those little things that just pop off, right? And they do good for some odd reason, and we believe that is this product. Again, we might think the product is not the issue, so now we're looking at our ad creatives, and we might think that might be a big issue, especially from all of our previous stores and all of our previous failures. Our ads were definitely a good majority of our issue, so we are really taking the time to create the ads. So my partner actually got into Luke Belmore's Capital Club, paid like 500 Canadian for it. Just finished studying their courses, been taking a lot of notes. I've been creating some Excel files, trying to really keep organized. I created notes on the psychology behind sales, marketing. I am now reading Scientific Advertising, which apparently is one of the GOATs for marketing and advertising. So I'm really taking it seriously before I make any ads. I'm starting a bit. I gathered a bunch of clips and videos to edit. One issue that I found with the clips and videos is that a lot of videos have already text on them. I have to figure out some way to cover them, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out. We do realize, again, we are in testing product phase. We still haven't gotten one sale, right? So once you get good results, then you expand, and then you put your fucking all into it, right? Like, then you do everything. You add these littlest, tiniest details to even improve this much, right? But for now, if the product doesn't sell itself, if the basic marketing doesn't sell itself, and you get zero sales, it's going to be very difficult to expand that product and create a multi-million-dollar brand around it. Think about one of the biggest e-com store out now. It's called High Smile. It's the purple teeth whitening. You've definitely seen it before. The product sold itself. It works. A good reason, or probably one of the main reasons why they're a multi-million-dollar company, is because of their marketing. They have a very good team. They have very good ad creatives. They have very good angles. They have very good funnels. They have very good structures. They have everything good. They're doing very, very well for themselves. But the product itself sold at the beginning. The ads that you go and watch now are professionally made, and they're very, very well done. That's not the first ad they ever created for the product. If you go back, I don't even know. I tried, actually. I couldn't find. But if you try and find a big company, a big e-com store brand, and go back to their first ad they ever posted, I can guarantee you the quality and the structure of the ads are way worse than the ones they have now, right? Anyways, that's just a little rant. That I'm still in the product testing phase. Sadly, can try to get a sale. I'm hoping to get ads created at least in the next few days, by the weekend, before the weekend's finish, and by next week hopefully run them, and I can give you an update on it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any stories about your e-commerce brands, or you have any advice that you can give, drop a comment down below, share the video, do anything you'd like. But the only thing that I ask you to do is keep working hard and keep staying positive. Thank you.